here I've got OnePlus Nord CE2, and let me show you how to update applications on this phone. So at first, reach your Play Store, tap on your account icon, and choose My Apps and Device. Go to Updates Available, let me just tap it, and now you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All at the top of the list, or you can update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon. Then you can use your device however you like, and this update would be done background, and obviously you can go back here to check the progress. So just like this, you can see that it's almost done. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.